know that the cyber attacks are on the rise globally? Every 11 seconds, one cyber attack occurs, and 70% of businesses fall victim to ransomware attack in 2024, reported by Cybersecurity Ventures. It's a shocking statistic that highlights the importance of understanding the threats we face in the digital age. Now, why is it crucial to grasp the concepts of cybersecurity attacks? Well, these attacks can have a significant impact on individuals and organizations. From financial loss to reputation damage, the consequences can be severe. Let's talk about the most common type of cyber attack out there. Phishing attacks are one of the oldest tricks in the book. Cyber criminals use deceptive emails, text messages, or fake websites to trick unsuspecting users into revealing sensitive information, like password or credit card details. Always be cautious and double-check the source before clicking on any suspicious links. Malware attacks are malicious software programs that can harm your computer or steal your data. They can come in different forms such as viruses, worms, or ransomware. To protect yourself, ensure you have up-to-date antivirus software and avoid downloading files or programs from untrusted sources. DDoS, or distributed denial of service attacks, aims to overwhelm a target website or network with a flood of traffic, causing it to become unavailable. Cybercriminals use botnets, which are network of compromised devices, to orchestrate these attacks. Website owners should employ DDoS protection services to mitigate the impacts of such attacks. In a man-in-the-middle attack, a hacker intercepts communication between two parties, making them believe they are directly communicating with each other. This allows the attacker to eavesdrop, steal information, or even alter the message without detection. Always ensure you are connecting to secure networks and websites to minimize the risk of man-in-the-middle attacks. Social engineering attacks exploit human psychology rather than technical vulnerabilities. Scammers use manipulation and deception to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. These attacks can occur through phone calls, emails, or even in-person interactions. Always be vigilant and skeptical, and never share personal details with unverified individuals or sources. These most common attack types, each posing unique risks, can lead to data breaches, financial losses, and reputational harm. Imagine waking up to find your personal information exposed or your bank account drained. It's a nightmare scenario. It's crucial to stay vigilant and proactive in protecting ourselves against cyber threats. We must understand the risk and take steps to secure our digital lives. Remember, prevention is always better than dealing with the aftermath of attack. So, what can you do? Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and insights. Share your own experiences with cyber attacks in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and strengthen our defense together.